Welcome to Invelo AutoPilot, your shortcut to smarter prospecting. AutoPilot handles the heavy lifting of building precise, data-driven prospects lists and launching targeted marketing campaigns in just minutes. Let's quickly walk through how it works. First, select the type of properties you're interested in. Whether you're after single-family homes, multifamily properties, or vacant land, you're in control. Next, choose up to 5 locations anywhere from across the US to precisely target your desired market. Now, here's where AutoPilot truly shines, refining your results based on how motivated they are to sell. Simply use the slider to instantly narrow your list to only the most motivated prospects or expand it wider to capture even more opportunities. This flexibility means your list is always perfectly tailored to your goals. Want more control? Click Customize Filters to further fine-tune your list based on property attributes like living area, year built, owner type, equity percentage, and more. These additional filters allow you to shape your audience exactly the way you want. Before finalizing your list, review all the details and add optional enhancements to boost your outreach success. With our powerful AI Driving for Dollars feature, Invelo analyzes real-time Street View imagery to identify visibly distressed properties. No manual work needed. Or use our skip tracing service to instantly access detailed homeowner contact info to supercharge your outreach. Finally, AutoPilot compiles your customized, stacked niche list in real time, consolidating critical data points like absentee ownership, high equity, pre-foreclosures, and much more, and imports it all into your prospects database. With your highly targeted list ready, you're all set to launch impactful marketing campaigns directly from within Invelo.